Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the P13 Love Stories Collection, and there are so many beautiful pieces in this collection. I just can't wait to show them to you. Now if you're interested in this collection, I will leave links down below where you can shop, and I really appreciate when you shop my links as I do receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. So I have the 6x6 paper pad right here. So let's start with it. And on the top cover there are some pieces that you can fussy cut. Some beautiful designs. I love this one. There's like some writing on there. We've got some florals. This looks like a newsprint. Some more florals. And let me hold this up so you can kind of see these images. They're so pretty. So in this, there's 24 double-sided sheets. You get 4 sheets of 6 designs. And then there's the 2 bonuses on the cover for the fussy cutting. So really, really pretty. And I think we're starting back over. Yep. Okay. So that's a look at the gorgeous paper. This would be great for making Valentine cards or Valentine scrapbook pages. I'm just going to quickly flip through the 12 by 12. Now it's the same. It's just the designs are, larger scale. So this would be perfect for your 12 by 12 scrapbooking. But you can kind of see the designs a little better here. We've got a cut apart sheet. So we've got some, looks like 4 by 6 cut aparts. Oh, I love that one. So pretty. All right, so that's a look at the paper. There are so many different chipboard elements. So let me just kind of show you some of these. It's like an envelope and a pen. Here's some heart lockets and some keys. And there's a couple missing out of here. I'm doing an experiment. I've painted a couple of these with gesso, so I'll get back to you on those. But there were some cupids. I've got some hearts. And these are some frames. And then there's some words. Let me open this up so I can see all the words here. So there's sweetheart, moments with you, happiness is you and me, something wonderful, together forever, this is perfect, this is love, and give yourself a little love. I love these. So you can paint these, color with markers, ink them, however you'd like. Now this is the Love Story sticker sheet number 1. So many good sentiments on here. This is what life is about. You are my happy place, my favorite person, our love story, picture perfect. This is Love Story sticker sheet number 2. You will forever be my always. There's some banner strips, some postage stamps. And then this one is Love Story stickers number 3, all those circle elements. Then we have all these different packs of ephemera. So this first one here, this is the Love Stories. Let's see, this one is the bits and pieces. So let me unbox this here. So let me just show you all the pieces. I've got one of my stack and sort trays here. And we'll just kind of flip through here. There's a little stack of books. We've got an old typewriter. We've got some frames. Really, really pretty. There's like an old ink and a feather. There's a heart. Some pretty birds. I think it's called cherub, right? I call it Cupid, but I think it's a cherub. There is a clock, or not a clock. That's a telephone, record player. Really, really pretty. Okay, and then let me unbox this one. Now, this is the ephemera flowers and leaves. And so you see here these gorgeous leaves. And then we've got different florals, all in the coordinating colors. So, so pretty. So we've got some that are clusters and then individuals. So there's a look at that. And then this is the ephemera paper finds. So let me show you these. So we've got like some tickets. There's an envelope. Isn't that so cute? It looks like a little ticket. I love this one. Little music, like music notes. This looks like a check, maybe. That's cool. And then some stamps. You could use that as a journaling piece. And then here's a few more stamps. We're still not done. We've got more pieces. Now this one is called the ephemera mixed tags. So let's look at these. So we've got some pretty banner strips. Can you see the detail in these? They're so pretty. I love this collection. I cannot wait to create with it. But before I started creating with it, I wanted to share all the pieces with you in case you're interested, so you can see what's included in each of these packets. That's really pretty, that tag. So we've got a few tags. Oh, here's a clock. I love that. It's a banner strip. I think that's a heart. Another banner strip. Oh, and there's that interesting old-fashioned, I don't know what you call that, furniture. Okay, so here's a look at everything that comes in the love stories. And be sure to stay tuned to my channel to see what I create.